this lesson, we're going to start with the meat and potatoes of the language. When we speak Spanish, we have to be aware that most of the words have gender, masculine or feminine, masculino o femenino, and number, singular or plural, singular or plural. For the moment, we are just going to focus on gender and number with nouns. But when we make sentences in Spanish, we have to match some words, like for example articles, with those nouns. As a general rule of thumb, nouns that end with an O, libro, book, or hijo, son, are masculine, and nouns that end with an A, like manzana, apple, or hija, daughter, are feminine. But there are many exceptions to this rule. For example, the word mano, hand, ends in O, but is feminine, and the word planeta, planet, ends in A, but is masculine. Besides, we can find masculine words ending in E, or, age, or consonante. For example, jefe, ordenador, viaje, profesor. And we can find feminine words ending in ción, sion, or de. For example, canción, profesión, salud. So, my advice is that every time you learn a new noun, you have to learn its gender as well. Regarding the number, the general rule is that if the noun ends in vowel, we add an S at the end to make the plural. Libro, book, singular, singular, libros, plural, plural, books. If the noun ends in consonant, we add ES at the end in order to make the plural. Mujer, woman, singular, singular, mujeres, plural, plural, women. This is the general rule, but of course there are many exceptions to this rule as well.